Hey guys, so glad you could stop by. Today I would like to share with you all affirmations. I have had such a positive growth experience using affirmations in my life. Affirmations have been a pivotal part of my personal development, but I've also used affirmations during difficult times in personal circumstances or situations as well. So, for some people, you're stopping by, you may know what an affirmation is, but for those who don't, an affirmation is the action of or process of something being affirmed or affirming something. Now, most people say, well, why are affirmations important? Affirmations are important because they help us rewrite our subconscious. We have been taught certain things our whole life since childhood, even into adulthood. We have certain beliefs, certain thought patterns, certain habits, and it starts in our brain. It starts with our mindset. And so affirmations are there to help us rewrite those things. And the blessing in that, the exciting part about it is our minds have the power to do that. We have control over ourselves. And with work and putting action behind those affirmations, it is possible to change that mindset. I think a lot of times why affirmations, we falter with affirmations or affirmations don't work. Because I hear people always say, affirmations don't work. They don't work for me. Well, the reason why they're not working is because when you're speaking an affirmation, we're trying to speak that affirmation to our surface level mindset about things that we're trying to rewrite. So you have to speak to your subconscious mindset. You're speaking to that you're trying to be, not where you are in the present. You're speaking to where you're going, not where you are. And so with that being said, I'm going to try to do Affirm Friday. So every Friday I would like to do an affirmation that we can carry into the following week with us. And I'll also be doing affirmation videos that you all can listen to on your way to work, while you're at work, or when you're working. If you're an entrepreneur, even if you're a stay-at-home mom, you can listen to those affirmations to keep encouraged, to empower yourself, and to rewrite things that you're wanting to change. Affirmations do work. We just have to put in the work with the affirmations. If you have any questions or comments about affirmations, please feel free to put them in the comments below. Like and subscribe to my channel. Great things to come. I look forward to sharing what I learned with you all. And I will see you later. Be blessed. Peace.